In this video, I'll be updating us with my trade plan for GBPUSD this week. In my previous video, I pointed out that on this 1 hour time frame of GBPUSD that we're having an inverse head and shoulder pattern forming. So I pointed out that this was the left shoulder, and this was the head, and this was the right shoulder, and that a break of this neck region will lead us to a bullish move that could take price to 1.3063 or that area. So after the non-farm payroll of Friday, we saw that there was a break. Let me expand it. So after the non-farm payroll, we saw that there was this breakout. Price closed above the neck region, but it was immediately followed with a bearish candle that closed back below that neck candle, which seems to be a fake out. So with that, there are two options for us to go with the situation. So right now, price is just below the neck region. It's not the best time for any to take a long position since price is just right below the neck region. So the best place to take buy position is when price returns back to this support area. So one could be looking for long opportunity from here with a stop loss just below this low. Okay, the next option is to wait for price to reclaim the neck region again. Once price comes above the neck region, then one could take a long position with stop loss just below this recent low that is carved out here. Remember, we've seen this breakout above the neck region. That is, the market has created a higher high. There is a high above this very high, so that shows us that there is some bullish momentum there. So we wait for a close back above the neck region, then we could take a buy opportunity with our stop loss below this recent low where the market reverses to come above the neck region again. That is exactly how I'll be approaching the GBPUSD this week. Trade cautiously, and thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe to my channel